Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to leave Instagram group chat without them knowing on Android, so you can quietly step away from a conversation without alerting anyone. Now, let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app and tap on the paper plane icon in the top right corner to open your direct messages. This is where all your chats, including group conversations, are stored. Step 2, tap on the group chat you want to leave. This opens the full conversation so you can adjust its settings. Step 3, tap the group name at the very top of the screen. This brings up more options for managing notifications and chat settings. Step 4, tap mute and then turn on the toggle switch next to mute messages. By doing this, you won't receive any new notifications from that group chat, letting you ignore it quietly without leaving it. This is the best method to stay unnoticed while avoiding interruptions. Now, if you're using a professional Instagram account, here's another method you can try. Step 1, open Instagram and go to your direct messages. This works just like before, but now you'll be moving the chat to a different folder. Step 2, long press on the group chat you want to move. A small menu will appear with more options. Step 3, select Move to General. This shifts the chat from your primary inbox to your general inbox, helping you keep it out of sight. Step 4, if you still don't want to be disturbed, you can mute the chat after moving it. This way, you'll no longer get notifications and the conversation will stay quiet in your general folder. Remember, there's currently no way to completely leave an Instagram group chat without others being notified. The only way to truly leave is by using the leave option, which always shows a system message in the chat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more smart Android and social media tips.